What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, today I'm exploring iMed Biomedical and we're going over oxygen blenders. And they've taken the opportunity to spread out one of these. It seems like it's simple, but many of you have never seen what's inside of these. And I'm going to show you exactly why you probably should never bother taking these apart. Some hospitals think they could sometimes repair these themselves, and it's true. You can often find parts for them. But as you're about to see, there are so many components inside here and they're very orientation detailed versus, many other devices where you put something in backwards and it looks like it's operating fine, but it could be very, very wrong. So let's go ahead. We're going to flip this camera around. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside one of these oxygen blenders. I'm here to help you guys with any of your test equipment needs, whether you need a quote or you just have a question about functionality. It's no problem. Just go ahead and shoot me an email at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com or justin@betterbiomed.com. It's my pleasure to help you. As you take these apart, and all these little O-rings, they all have a shelf life. If they get old, they wear, they deteriorate, they dry rot, they crack, they leak. And even things like that little rubber seal right there, this little pinch valve seal, little bit of contamination in there and that guy no longer functions properly. And we're not even talking about things like corrosion and the ability to properly clean these components, inspect them for wear and damage, and then put all of this back together. It's definitely not as easy as you would think. So guys, next time you're going to think about taking apart oxygen blenders, maybe to save yourself a little bit of money, imagine the amount of time, energy, and thought that's going to have to go into this to take it apart, clean it properly, install new components. And that's not even talking about sourcing the components, because some of these components, like the rubber diaphragm disc right there, the blue, those ones there can be very difficult to find from a reputable source. Yes, you can find them, but just because you can find a component doesn't mean that it's good. There are many people that manufacture those parts. So folks, if you need help with your blenders, take some time to find a reputable company like iMed Biomedical, who's been doing these for a long time, and they know what they're doing. It's just not worth the time, energy, and money to do it yourself. Now, I'm a huge supporter of repairing and doing stuff yourself, but some things I just know that if you don't do it every single day, it's just not going to be worth it. Thanks for watching, guys.